more health codes here for their safety. We carry lots of things that they don't have. And
Funny. Pick a bird. We're not allowed
to touch them. Sorry. But every year on Memorial Day weekend, right here at the State Fairgrounds, we got the pet bird fair there, and we all bring our birds out, 50 to 100 different birds, and there you can touch them, play with them, interact with them a little bit more. There's lots of vendors, big raffle, and other things going on. It's free. So it's the Saturday Memorial Day weekend every year, right here.
Thanks.
So, yeah. So if you want to touch or pet them, you got to wait until next year.